Ceasefire, ceasefire. Please unload all firearms, ensure that where possible safeties are on and that all magazines and clips are removed and actions are open and kept open for inspection.
Yeah, I think we're at a ball. Oh. And then the markets have been messing around. I gotta tell you something. Okay, we can make it look like a week. I'm shooting at the 100 and I'm trying to get in. All the wax or a ton of cardboard. Is that what you're asking?
Yeah, so these are all real bullets. What you're shooting here, these are made by Noriko, which is a Chinese military company. They make these on a public scale though. And these ones are Czech military surplus from I think the 60s or 70s.
So these are
well, by that time we've been already on the So and for this gun only, if you want to put your left hand back here, I usually find it more secure to be here though. Same thing. It's easy to hold it down here, but stick it right up against the wall. So it's also nice to fire this gun. Have it as double action, so just start pulling the trigger and it'll start.